Thank you for your continued support.
Thank you for your loyalty.
Thank you
For putting your trust in us.
Thank you for your 5-star reviews.
Thank you for the love.
Thank you for letting us be your problem solvers.
Gracias por confiar en nosotros.
Thank you.
For being a part of our team.
Thank you for letting us solve your problems for over 50 years, and thank you for being awesome.
Thank you for being our MVP. Yes!
Thank you for supporting us so we can support our community.
Thank y'all.
Thank you
For allowing us to serve you and your families.
for generations.
Thank you for choosing Cody and Sons.
Thank you